Hi there, welcome to this course. We will be focusing on the NLP success principles, which are really 5 simple secrets that can help you achieve success in whichever area of life you would like. Be it in the area of relationships, career, health, or even spiritual well-being. These are secrets that consciously or unconsciously drive the behaviors of most high achievers. The great thing about these secrets is that once you know them, you can replicate them in your behavior and start to achieve more in a faster and a more efficient manner. So, if you would like to be in on these secrets and apply them in your life, do enroll for this course.